वाळपय नगरपालिकेची नगराध्यक्षा परवीन शेखान नगराध्यक्षपदाचो राजिनामो दिल्ल्यान वाळपय नगरपालिकेचें नगराध्यक्षपद रिकामी जालां. नगराध्यक्षपद वांटून घेवपाचें पयलींच थारायलेलें. त्या प्रमाण म्हाजो कार्यकाळ सोंपलो म्हूण राजिनामो दिला अशें राजिनामो दिल्या उपरांत परवीन शेखान पत्रकारांक सांगलें. तशेंच लोकांच्या, नगरसेवकांच्या आनी नगरपालिकेच्या कामगारांनी दिल्लो तेंको आनी मजतीन नगरपालिका वाठारांत जायती उदरगत करपाक शक्य जालें अशी माहिती शेखान दिल्या.
Confidence is I'm giving my resignation as a chairperson. I think first of all I would really like to thank our Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, because under his guidance only I was capable of doing all this thing, and he always supported me, guided me all the time whenever there was a need. I think without his help and support I wouldn't have reached this step. We have got such a good leader that with his support only we can go forward and do something, do some development works and all. I really thank him from my bottom of my heart for all the things what he had shared with him. He had given the help and all. Side by side, I really thank my municipality staff, my engineers, accountant, cashier, the full staff, my labourers, drivers, then security, because without all of them this work would have been possible. So I really thank all, maybe the labourers, cleaning of the municipality, the credit goes for the labourers, and all the working process, the credit goes to the staff. So I really thank each and every one of them. And lastly, I really thank the entire Valpai people, because even their support was always them. Whenever I also required their support, they supported me, and I also supported them in any work they wanted. And I really thank my ward people, fifth number, because without their support I think I wouldn't be standing here today. It's all because of their support that I'm there here.
Can you just brief out what development projects you have completed in the tenure of the last 1.5 years?
During my term, almost 7 crores 27 lakhs 18,140 this amount work has been completed in all the 10 wards.
Completed?
Yeah, completed means some are under process, like some are for NIT, some are for financial approval.